what up guys, we're here for another video, and as you see, this is a different kind of vlog video, but look at what we got. We got a new dog. English bulldog right here. Say hi, say hi. Come on.
He doesn't want to say hi.
Come on.
He's been following Jacob.
He's been following me this whole time, not Jaden.
Take a picture.
New dog. It smells because, yeah, you know, we literally just got him today. I don't know. Just gonna bleep that out. Yeah, just went shopping.
Oh. And he's so cool when it happens for the rest of our life. You might see him in some videos. He might come to you. He's gonna eat when he wants to eat. And when Emma gets older, she's not gonna be scared of him. What?
Yeah, our sister isn't
Wait,
really like him.
subscribe. Do you want Bella or you choose it?
Guys,
Bella?
so
You want Bella or French girl? French girl.
No, guys. So we have to give him a name. Comment down below. Bella. Imagine Bella. Princessa. Bella Princessa or Izzy. Or Izza. Izzy.
Let's see.
Comment down below what you want.
Whoever gets the most subscribers on which
So
dog
so I'm gonna put the votes. I'm gonna put the votes up right there. So comment down below. Comment down below one. Comment down below 1 if you want Bella. Comment down below 2 if you want Izzy. Comment down below 3 if you want Princessa.
Princessa. This is
Look at hey. Comment down below what we want.
and we can't let him have spiky balls. So if you see we have a spiky ball, comment down below. Don't do that, cause he could break his teeth by that.
Yeah.
He's only he's 4 months old.
He's 4 months old.
Our dad didn't tell him what's his birthday. I know.
We don't know his birthday, but
Yeah, we don't know.
all we know is that he's an English bulldog. He's 4 months. He's 4 months old.
He's scared because he left his family, but
Yeah.
he's starting to get used to us.
He's starting to get used to us. My sister doesn't like him. My mom's sick, if you're wondering.
And the
Hey,
boys are the only ones who.
Hey, that's my camera.
And the only girl that's good with this is.
This is my mom.
And also, it is a her, not a him.
Yeah, it's a she. If you're wondering, that's why it's.
That's why
Hey.
we did girl names.
Yeah, my sister kicked him in the face. I feel bad for her.
Yeah. I don't know what she's scared of, but she put guts. I think in her look, she's scary.
Comment down below if you want her to make a YouTube channel.
We'll make her a YouTube channel.
Yeah, a doggy YouTube channel.
And whatever it is, we'll say the Izzy, the Princess, the Bella channel. And then we'll put channel.
Yeah, so.
So comment down below the name of.
Oh shoot, she has the water. So guys, I think that's just gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe for 1, 2, or 3. Her name.
Oh yeah, subscribe
Bella,
to comment down below.
Princessa or Izzy. Subscribe. Comment down below or subscribe.
Yeah.
And give this video a thumbs up if you like him. If you like him, we might do him in the next video.
Yeah. And make sure to subscribe, hit all notifications because you never miss an upload. And make sure to hit that big subscribe button. Let's try to get. Well, guys, my new goal. My new goal is 20 right now, but we're almost there. One more subscriber. But right now my goal is 100. So to make it happen.
Don't brag. He just started his YouTube channel like 20 months ago.
Yeah, 20. I literally started my YouTube channel 4 months ago. So, yeah.
His first video is on the channel. If you want to check that out, check all his other videos out. And see you in the next video.
Bye.
Say bye to mystery name.
Say bye to mystery name.
1, 2, or 3. Remember that Izzy, Bella, or Princessa.
Right, guys, wait.
They're gonna be up there. So
Yeah, the votes are going to be up there, so.
1, 2, or 3. Pick one.
So I'll put like 1 is Bella, then blah, blah, blah.
We'll put B, L, is E, I, and P.
yeah, so bye guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Say bye. Hey, say bye.